first step you're going to take is you're going to go into Edit, and you're going to scroll down to Convert to Profile. You're going to make sure you're in the Adobe RGB 1998 color space. Next thing you're going to do is go into Image Size. Make sure you size this correctly. You want to be printing at 240 or 300 dpi. Here you can see I'm changing it. Hit OK. You can see a close-up of my dog's eyes. Next thing we do is we're going to go on over to File, scroll down to Print. It's going to give us this setup over here. We're going to make sure we're in Photoshop Manages Colors. The next thing we're going to do after that is we're going to go into our ICC paper profile, select the right one. Relative colorimetric or perceptual are our rendering intents. Black point compensation always should be checked. The next thing we'll do is go into Print Settings. And it's going to give us this menu. We're going to go to Manage Custom Sizes for the Pro 2000. We'll add a new one. We're going to make the width 24 inches for the width of the paper. And then we're going to make it, in this case, 26 inches to match our size of our print. We'll scroll down. We'll go to Printer Options, Quality and Media. We've selected paper that matches with our profile. We'll select High. We'll hit OK. Hit Save. The next step will be to change our orientation so we don't get our image clipped. And then we'll hit the Print button.